Beloved, welcome back to the shop. That's a wide stance you got there, bro. Nobody's gonna tip me over. Do you remember the old man? The old man that sits upon his pulpit, the 400-pound German monster that we put in last summer, I believe it was. Well, he's crushing his mount. Oh goodness, look at that. Proho now understands why he got such a good deal on this log that I milled this from one piece. This is called shake. It's a defect. What if we bore a super straight hole all the way through that, maybe two, and started clamping that back together with the big 5/8 nuts? Is it gonna work? 50-50 on that. All right, so the tools that we've got laid out here, I've got these big auger bits. I've got a 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. This is 5/8 rod, so 3/4 is gonna be a little bit bigger. What if, and here we have a problem, what if we bore a hole that's a little bit bigger, ran this through? Now you're gonna say, well, how's that gonna work? That's not long enough to go through both sides, and you're certainly not gonna meet in the middle, right? Well, check this out. Thank you, Dad, the contractor, right? So that's long now. So now we have a drill bit that's long with a super extension, and we're gonna need all of it to get through that block, but I don't know how else to do it. We're gonna have to bring out the big guns for this, beloved. The Milwaukee hole shooter. This is the most powerful drill that I currently own. That is Proho grade right there, gentlemen. All right, let's proceed. I'm not happy with these fender washers. I wanted these big timber frame cast washers. My local hardware store didn't have the right one, so I went to another one. I did find them, so these are going to be the proper. These are 5/8 and much bigger and stronger. We'll put some anti-seize on there. I'll keep those threads from galling. Let's see how much movement we can get. We're at 25 3/4. Well, I heard a frightening cracking sound and realized once again we fall victim to unintended consequences. I think we're going to need more threaded rod. I have to admit the threaded rod did work brilliantly, but it put so much clamping force that it popped, it popped the back off. But this is such a big block of wood, and now it's done what it's going to do. I don't know why there'd be a problem of just putting 2 more rod over here and just forcing the whole thing together with 4 of these. Well, gentlemen, that's about all the damage we can do today. I am out of threaded rod, as is my local hardware store, so we will revisit this project. May God bless you and your families. Please keep us in your prayers, and we'll see you all on the next video.